long simmer. If you are finding this information helpful and starting to see how this simple food could make a difference, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. It's a small click for you, but it really helps our channel reach and help more seniors who need to hear this message. Thank you for that. So what does all of this mean for you in your daily life? What can you actually expect to see and feel if you start incorporating a daily cup of bone broth? First, let's talk about your skin. When you consistently provide your body with the building blocks for collagen, it can start to repair and thicken the dermal layer of your skin. Over time, you may notice that your skin feels firmer, more hydrated, and that fine lines and wrinkles appear less prominent. It's not a facelift in a cup, but it is true nourishment that helps your skin regain some of its youthful structure and glow. Next, and perhaps most importantly for many, are your joints. Imagine lubricating your creaky joints from the inside out. The gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin in bone broth work together to soothe inflammation and help your body repair worn-out cartilage. People who drink it regularly often report a significant decrease in joint pain and stiffness. That could mean getting out of bed in the morning with more ease. It could mean being able to garden for longer play with your grandkids on the floor, or take those long walks you love without paying for it later. It's about regaining freedom of movement. Then there's your bone health. The easily absorbable calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus combined with the collagen protein matrix itself provide the exact nutrients your body needs to maintain bone density. This is incredibly important as we age to help protect against fractures from falls. Stronger bones mean a more resilient you. And we can't forget the gut. So many health issues, from low energy to autoimmune problems, can be traced back to a compromised gut lining, often called leaky gut. The glycine in bone broth is a superstar at healing and sealing that gut lining. A healthier gut not only improves digestion, but also calms systemic inflammation throughout your entire body, which is a root cause of so many age-related diseases. When your gut is happy, your whole body feels the benefit. Now, the best part of all of this is how incredibly easy and affordable it is to make this powerful food yourself right in your own kitchen. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a large pot, or even better, a slow cooker. Using a slow cooker is my favorite method because it's so safe and simple. You can just set it and forget it. Here's a basic can't mess it up recipe. First, you'll need to get some good quality bones. You can use bones from chicken, beef, or turkey. The best bones are the ones with lots of joints and connective tissue like chicken feet, chicken backs, and beef knuckles, or marrow bones. Don't be shy about asking your local butcher. They often have these soup bones for very cheap, or sometimes even for free. If you can opt for bones from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals, as they will have a richer nutrient profile, take about 2 to 3 pounds of bones and place them in your slow cooker. For a deeper, richer flavor, you can roast the beef bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes first, but this step is optional. Once the bones are in the slow cooker, cover them completely with filtered water, leaving about an inch or two of space at the top. Then, add the secret ingredient that helps pull all the minerals out of the bones, a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Let this sit for about 30 minutes before you turn the heat on. After that, you can add some optional vegetables for flavor and extra nutrients. A rough chopped onion, a couple of carrots, and a few celery stalks are a classic combination. You can also add a bay leaf and some whole peppercorns. Don't add salt yet. You'll season the finished broth later. Now just put the lid on your slow cooker, set it to low, and let it do its magic for at least 24 hours. For beef bones, you can go even longer, up to 48 hours. The longer it simmers, the more collagen and nutrients will be extracted. Your house will fill with a wonderfully rich and comforting aroma. When it's done, turn off the slow cooker and let the broth cool down a bit so it's safe to handle. Then simply strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the bones and vegetables. You can discard those. Let the broth cool to room temperature and then place it in the refrigerator. As it chills, the fat will rise to the top and solidify into a hard layer. You can easily scrape this fat cap off and discard it. Underneath, you should find your beautiful, nutrient-dense broth. If it has a jiggly, gelatinous texture, congratulations, you've made it perfectly. You can store it in the fridge in glass jars for up to a week, or you can freeze it in smaller portions for several months. The easiest way to incorporate it into your routine is to simply heat up a mug of it each day and sip on it like a savory tea. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper, maybe some fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon. It's a deeply satisfying and warming ritual. You can also use it as the base for any soup, stew or sauce you make, instantly upgrading the nutritional value of your meals. I know some of you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I just don't have the time or energy to make it. I understand that completely. In that case, you can buy pre-made bone broth, but you have to be a very careful shopper. Look for brands that are sold in the refrigerated or frozen section, not the soup aisle. Read the label carefully. It should say bone broth, not just broth or stock. The ingredients list should be simple bones, water, vegetables, and maybe some herbs. Make sure it explicitly mentions being from grass-fed or organic sources, and that it has been slow simmered for a long time, often 18 hours or more. A good quality store-bought brand will also gel when chilled. It'll be more expensive than making your own, but it can be a convenient option. It might feel a little strange at first to think about sipping on broth, but I want you to reframe it in your mind. This isn't just a beverage. This is a potent, nourishing tonic. It's a conscious act of self-care. Every warm sip is a message to your body that you are giving it exactly what it needs to rebuild and repair. You are investing in your own strength, your own mobility, and your own radiant health. So let's quickly recap what we've learned. Collagen is the essential protein that provides structure to our skin, joints, and bones. Our body's ability to produce it drops significantly after age 60, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and weakness. While eating meat provides protein, the collagen within it is not very bioavailable. The absolute best way to replenish your collagen is with slow-simmered bone broth. The long cooking process breaks down the collagen into an easily absorbable gelatin rich in the specific amino acids glycine and proline that your body needs to rebuild its own collagen. It's a simple, ancient, and powerful strategy for fighting back against the physical challenges of aging. Remember, your body has an incredible innate wisdom and a constant desire to heal itself. It is always trying to move toward health. Our job is simply to give it the right tools for the job. Growing older is a given, but feeling old and frail is not. You have so much more power over your health than you might believe. It's not about making huge, overwhelming changes overnight. It's about adding one small, powerful habit at a time. This is one of those habits. I know that facing the changes that come with age can be discouraging. It can feel like your body is letting you down. But please hear me when I say this. It is never ever too late to start giving your body the nourishment it craves. You're not destined for a life of aches and pains. With every good choice you make, with every nourishing meal you consume, you're casting a vote for a stronger, healthier, more vibrant future you. 1 cup of this liquid gold a day is a profound step in that direction. You are worth that effort. Your freedom, your independence, and your ability to enjoy your life to the fullest are worth it. Now, I would be so grateful to hear from you. What was the most surprising thing you learned in this video today? Have you ever tried making or drinking bone broth before? Please share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. I truly do my best to read through them, and your experiences can inspire and help so many others in our community. If you found this video valuable and believe it could help someone you know, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on our future videos packed with practical, science-backed tips for thriving in your golden years. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Stay strong, stay nourished, and remember that every single day is a new opportunity to build a healthier you.